Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to toggle keyboard backlight on this laptop. To do this, you have to open Launcher, then go to Settings, then in Settings select Device section right here, then in Device section go to Keyboard and Inputs, and here scroll down until you see the keyboard backlight brightness. And by moving this slider, you can either increase the keyboard backlight or decrease it until it turns off if you move this slider to the very left. So that's how you can change keyboard backlight on this laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.